Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are talking about one of our baking basics, and that is why do we cream the butter? The beginning of almost every recipe for cake or cookies, it says cream your butter. Why do we do that? Let's get started.
Butter is packed in rectangles, packed down and allowed to sit for days or weeks before you buy it. This causes the butter to stick to itself really well, and even if the butter is room temperature, it likes to be in one piece. This butter is cool but not cold. Look how solid that piece of butter is. It's like a brick. That's not going to combine with anything very well. So what we do is we use a mixer to pull the butter apart and make it possible to combine with your other ingredients. As you mix, you use the mixer to break the butter into pieces first. The butter will want to stick inside your beaters at first, so occasionally you may need to let the mixer run on a fast setting without touching the sides of the bowl to get the butter out of the beaters. Continue to beat the butter until it's creamy. This also brings air into the butter and keeps it from making your recipe heavy. This is what it should look like when it's light and fluffy. Typically, you then add the sugar. And then the eggs. This order keeps your recipe light and fluffy and is really nice to eat. No heavy lumps here. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.